Hi, this is Jacob from Westwind Moto, and today I'm going to introduce to you our all-new vintage backpack, which comes in a waxed canvas, which allows for a very good water resistance. Obviously, you can't go diving with this bag, but if you talk about splashes or light rain, even to medium rain, your stuff's going to stay dry. Here at the top, the bag features what some of you who have used our Ranger Wild series might be familiar with. There's these two aluminum hooks here on the top, which allow you to adjust how much you want to roll the top down here. So as I explained before, the top here is secured via our aluminum hooks here that hook into any of these strap eyelets here. However, if you notice, we have multiple strap eyelets here actually down the entire, both straps. And the purpose of this is that actually you can mount our bungee net here through these loops. So you can, for example, if you want to increase the capacity, like have a jacket or a rain suit or something like that held on the outside here, you can hook in the 4 hooks for the bungee net, for example, 2 on the bottom and 2 at the top, and then you've got added space there. Left side here, we have a compartment where you can put, for example, like a toolkit or something like that, maybe a first aid kit. That same side as well, we have a big zipper here, which allows you direct access into the backpack without having to unroll the top. And then on the back here, we have a hard panel. Here, it also features this strap here, which allows you to put it up, to have it mounted on, for example, the handle of a suitcase, or for example, like those chopper style motorcycles where you've got a big backrest. You can slip this on and it'll stay nice and tight. And a laptop compartment here, so you can also throw a laptop in here. And on the front here, we have this MOLLE panel, which also doubles as a little pouch in case you want to throw something in it. And this front part here, with it being the MOLLE, you can fit on, for example, our toolkit or our medical kit. That way you have quick access to that right on the back of the backpack. On the right side, we have a big pouch here where you can put in, again, for example, maybe you want to put in some gloves, a big bottle of water, anything like that can be fitted in this big pocket here on the side. As for the straps here, we have a cross strap here to help keep the bag mounted on you, which clips in so. However, it can be adjusted as it has a little railing that it slides on here. So if you want it higher up, you can have it higher up. If you want it lower, you can have it lower. Our shoulder straps here, in addition to our little mounting rings here and this sliding rail cross strap, we also have a buckle here at the bottom of each strap. So you can quickly remove the backpack. And we thought about this because, for example, if you're wearing a lot of gear, armor, it's kind of a little bit difficult to get your shoulders and arms around to remove the bag. So in this case, no need to worry about that. You just undo this buckle here and the bag comes off. So let us know in the comments if vintage is your style.